Good morning, Miss Shanika. I will present about the part that I have done in the prototype lah. Okay, so this is the homepage of our application, and you can just press the start button, go to the second page. Here are our screen tool. This is like the menu that can guide you to all of the function that we have. So uh, we go to the healthy diet. Here, when you press the healthy diet, it will bring you to the chat area. Actually, this place is for typing and have the chat with the chatbot lah. But because the Figma cannot do this so we just use the button to simulate the function But in the our final version that is using the MIT application to done it, so the function is okay done. So we go to the next. Here also got the other screen that can be function. So the first one is like healthy information screen. It will tell you about the loss rate and about the content that I didn't write any content here because this is just a prototype. But in the final version, there's got the suggestion that chatbot given to the user. So as the others actually is also same one but the different is just only it detect the keyword so the different one is just the keyword like if you want to go into the diabetes screen, so like you're asking the question, uh, I have a diabetes, so uh, what's what will happen about me like this lah. So it will detect the diabetes, the keyword, and ask you, do you want to have more suggestion? And if you enter the why, so it will bring you why yes it will bring you to this page. Then after that, here got the water benefit. The water benefit is different for with the healthy diet and gym coach. These two is our chatbot. Because the water benefit is not in these two area, so we just let it come out and have another section. So here we tell you about the benefit of the water, and when you tell the more information, he will also give you the other suggestion. Okay, so here got the sleep and rest. This is also same one as the water, just because the content is different only. Then here got 7 type of the rest content. When you press the button the below will come out the answer. But also because here Figma cannot process this function so here just use the button to so the button here didn't got any function but final version will have it. Yes. The last is about us, our application background. Here will bring us to the about us section, and here got the content, the introduction of our application, the credits, our phone number, and our we can help you. The section is we're talking about it's the Gmail, the address, and the contact number. So that's all for the prototype. Thank you.
Morning, madam. Today I would like to present my prototype, my part. Then press the start. So we'll jump out to the screen tool, which is a lot of the button there. Then because my part is under the healthy diet, so other button will not showing up. Then press the button. So we'll go to its AI chatbot, and then a lot of button in there, and then so because of the Figma cannot doing like message, so this chatbot is not showing it as a good way but we just doing it the keyword, and then you press the keyword, will jump to another screen now. So in the I can show you it's like all of this. So it's a message one we're doing in our MIT project. It's a MIT app. And then this one is a story button, which is function like when you chat chatting with a AI chatbot and then you want back go to another screen and then you come back will automatically is empty the one the chatbot then you press the story will come out again and then reset button is for you want to reset your clear your story or clear your chat up and then so this one is just now I say the function the information of the LDR a lot of information. So this one also got a three button. The function is like this is like you press a button one and then suddenly appear information with which that relate to the button one. So it's button one is sport and energy supplement then and supplement then will relate this one information so this then also all of the same with the same one because it's the text will the information is too long the figma is no space to enter so we only can showing like this one look look not good but this like our way and then this translation means you can when you want to translate English from English to Malay and then you press in the it will translate the chatbot at the chat the all of the chat and then the voice also like you click and then it will speak the message all of the message in your chat then will when you start uh, feeling annoying and then you want to stop you press the stop voice and then this one is text to speech button you click and then you can enter by your voice by your speaking way then this one is the input box then which is you enter the data enter the message then you press send will send the message in there in the chat so that is all of my part thank you Nathan.
Good morning, madam. Today I would like to demo my video, which is about the prototype of our topic is healthy lifestyle information kiosk. So this is the homepage, and users can just press the start button to go to the menu. And I would like to talk about the gym coach chatbot. So let us just press in and let me introduce their function. It looks complex, but we step by step. Okay. So the type here button is not type here input box is for users. Insert the input by typing or by voice. As you can see the voice button here, and you press if you press the button of voice, the bot will recording your voice and transfer to the word and insert to the input box just now and then user can just press the send okay So all of the chat will showing here, and this all button is not showing in the final product. So it's just for prototype, and this button is for clearly you can clearly understand the keyword. So let me show you just one uh, protein powder screen. So if the users mention any keywords about the protein powders, and maybe chatbot will ask the question to users, ask him he want to go to the screen or not. And if the users say okay, I want, okay, so it will navigate the users to this page, and it will introduce what is the protein powder, and the content here will say many of information of the protein powder for users, so that users can get a deeper understanding from this screen and about the protein powder. So so about the so this button is for back to menu lor. Uh, Back to the last step. Okay, just now back to the last step. So it will it was showing the chatbot, and press one. Once again, just go back to the menu, and this is a history button. Oh. So if you, okay, let's say just now I press the protein powder, and you just get back, the chat will disappear, and user can just press the history button to recover the chat contents. And if let's say users are users looking the screen and is so many of words, you want to just clear all, so you can just press the reset, so all of the contents will disappear. But the history function, uh, if users already press the reset button, the history button will not function again. Will not showing the last content. It means that the buffer, the content of the history already clear up. So this all of the keyword of the keywords for many of, and then maybe the screen, inside the screen, you can just press the all of the button and showing the content. I mean different contents. R stand for what, A stand for what, and then what is the explanation, okay, so like this. um so other, many of screen lor. Okay, so if let's say the users are maybe older one, and then they are not they are lazy for looking so many of words, and then you can just they can just press the voice message checkbox, and then once they press, and then insert what insert any input, and then press the send button, and then the bot will get a voice output, read the content, and just read until the end. So the users can just you just can just hearing the content, and no need to see anymore. And then users can just press the stop twice, just so that the voice can stop. No, no, no saying until you annoying. So that's all for the gym chatbot, gym call chatbot. So okay, thank you, madam.